'Tis the season. All right, so this salad growing up in the summer months was on the table daily. But the one thing that I didn't do was actually eat the salad. All I did was use some bread to dip in the liquid gold that is left behind. Letting the tomatoes marinate in the salt just brings out so much pure liquid gold flavor.
That's gold, Jerry. Gold!
Now I will say that dipping the bread in that liquid gold is still my favorite thing to do. But I also now eat the rest of the salad as well. So with this salad, it's to taste. So as much or as little as you like of everything. Grab yourself a variety of tomatoes, but if you only have one, that's okay too. I like to slice them up into different sizes, some small, some large, and some in between. And now we're just gonna place everything in a bowl. Next, grab a red onion. Ideally, you would want a tropea onion. Slice or finely chop up, and then we're just gonna add that into the bowl. Freshly torn basil gets thrown into the bowl as much as you like here. Fresh from the garden, love it. Now we're gonna season with kosher salt and just season a little bit more than you normally would because we really want the salt to bring out those juices because, I mean, this liquid gold is gold. And of course, we're gonna season with freshly cracked pepper as well. Then you're gonna grab some good quality extra virgin olive oil, the best that you can find, and fill about a quarter of the way up the bowl. Expect a lot of bread dipping going on, so the more oil and juice, the better. Dried chili flakes is optional if you want a bit of that heat, so you can go ahead and add that if you like. Then mix everything well, and this is the most important part. Let the salad sit out at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes. We really want all those flavors, and especially that liquid gold, to really marinate and really come out. And then you can plate it up, or just bring the whole bowl. Don't forget that bread, and bring it to the table. This is summer on a plate, super simple, fresh, everything's from the garden, can't go wrong, brings back memories for me. Don't forget the bread to soak up all that liquid gold. So I hope you give this recipe a go. And as always, the full recipe is in the description below. Please like and comment. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, ciao.